welcome to this video, and today we're gonna talk about how you can get your security at the airport with a drone and lithium batteries. So there are strict rules many people don't know when you're traveling with a drone and lithium batteries. Okay, there are strict rules about the lithium batteries, but when you're flying with the drone, don't be worried when it's going to an X-ray scanner. I have the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and also many people say nothing happened when you get your drone through an X-ray scanner. Okay, and now to the part when you are at the X-ray scanner. Okay, when you come to the security check, you have one tray. You put your clothing and these things in and your bags. You also have a tray where you put your phone, your tablet and your drone and your lithium batteries. Wait, are there strict rules for lithium batteries and drones? Yes, there is. So I'm gonna let you see now how you put everything together. So, fold your drone up and everything in your drone bag, take it out. Yeah, everything. But there is something with this one. Also the battery out of your drone. Okay, what you need to do with the battery is, this is the contact point. Duct tape the contact point. And then put it in a plastic bag. Not together, but one in a plastic bag, then the other, and then in another plastic bag. And yeah, this one is off in a drone bag. You can guess already, I think, why you don't take this one, because many security guards can see this as a type of drug and you don't want that, so throw it away before you go on your flight. Then, about the lithium batteries. Mostly of the time you can take 2 lithium batteries with a 160 watt hours for every lithium battery. So I can take this one with 148 watt hours and this one with 20 watt hours. But I cannot take these two and this one, because that's 3 lithium batteries. So I'm these two, 20 watt hours for every piece. That's good. You wanna make sure you take your drone, your controller and your batteries in your hand-in luggage. You don't want to throw it under the plane, because many people are throwing with your trolley. You don't want to ruin your drone. This is a restricted rule that you take your lithium batteries in your hand luggage. You cannot leave them under in the plane, in your check-in luggage. Take everything out of your drone bag and place it in a tray. Yeah, this one, duct tape, and every piece in a plastic bag. Don't take this one on your journey, and 2 lithium batteries with 160 watt hours for every piece of lithium batteries. There are some countries where a drone is restricted, so read that policy and yeah, you can travel with a drone. Thanks for watching and bye bye.